ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసినాము. హలో ఆల్కేన్స్ అండ్ హలో ఎరిన్స్. హలో ఆల్కేన్స్ అండ్ హలో ఎరిన్స్. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఇస్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్. ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఒక రియాక్షన్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేసినాం. ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్. ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్ ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ preparation methods of alkyl halides. Best example of alkyl halides: ethyl chloride, methyl chloride, propyl chloride, etc. So first topic name alkyl halides and subheading preparation methods of alkyl halides. Already previous class we studied preparation methods of alkyl halides. First method, repeat chestunnamu. First method from alcohols. First method is from alcohols. Preparation methods of alkyl halides and first method is from alcohols. For example, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. So it says ethyl alcohol. And ethyl alcohol reacted hydrochloric acid formula HCl in the presence of ZnCl, zinc chloride. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So byproduct is water, H2O, and remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So see our compound ethyl chloride. Again sir, heading alkyl halide and ethyl chloride preparation ante best example of alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Alkyl halide example ethyl chloride. So ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2OH plus hydrochloric acid formula HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So removal of water. Remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, ethyl chloride. Okay. And next one, same ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, and ethyl alcohol react with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. But 3 moles of ethyl alcohol. So very simple answer. 3 moles of ethyl group, CH3 bond, CH2, and 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 moles of CH3 bond, CH2, and 3 chlorine atoms, ethyl chloride. And byproduct is 3 hydrogen atoms, H3, 1 mole of oxygen, P, 1 mole of phosphorus, P, and 3 oxygen atoms, O3. So byproduct is H3PO3. Malli remember 3 hydrogen atoms, H3, 1 phosphorus atom, P, and 3 oxygen atoms, O3. So byproduct is H3PO3, orthophosphorus acid. And main product is our compound alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Formula CH3 CH2 Cl. Next same ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond CH2 bond OH plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. So very simple answer. For example, 1 mole of ethyl group CH3 bond CH2. Actually 5 chlorines memo 1 chlorine atom add here. So CH3 bond CH2 and addition of 1 chlorine atom CH3 CH2 Cl. Okay. Next 1 hydrogen atom. Remaining n chlorines ikkada 4 unnai. Inకొక chlorine add చేయండి. So HCl, hydrochloric acid. And remaining answer 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen, and remaining 3 chlorine atoms, POCl3, phosphorus chloride. And this is our compound ethyl chloride, CH3 CH2 Cl. And next last one, same ethyl alcohol formula CH3 CH2 OH react with SOCl2. Compound name is thionyl chloride. Compound name is thionyl chloride. Formula SOCl. So very simple answer. Same CH3 bond CH2. Actually 2 chlorines may have chlorine atom added. So CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. And byproducts very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen and addition of second chlorine atom HCl plus SO2, sulfur dioxide. जो कि अगर अन्निట్లో కామన్ ఒకటే ప్రోడక్ట్ వచ్చింది ethyl chloride ethyl chloride, ethyl chloride, ethyl chloride. So best example of alkyl halides, that is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is another method from alcohol. From alcohol. So ethyl alcohol plus HCl in the presence of lead and Cl2. Then ethyl alcohol directly converted to ethyl chloride plus water. Next, same ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH plus PCl3, 3 moles of ethyl group and 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 moles of ethyl chloride and byproduct is 3 hydrogens H3, 1 mole of phosphorus P and 3 oxygen atoms O3 H3 PO3. Next, same ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH plus PCl5, 1 mole of ethyl group, 1 mole of chlorine atom ethyl chloride and byproducts are HCl and POCl3 POCl3. Next, same ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH, thionyl chloride, thio means sulfur atom. Sulfur group को separate name होता है thio antam, thio. So thionyl chloride form SO Cl2. So 3 CH3 CH2 1 chlorine atom ethyl chloride. Next 1 mole of hydrogen second chlorine atom HCl. Next SO plus oxygen SO2 SO2. So first method actually heading alkyl halides. Topic ends on chapter ends on alkenes and halides. The first topic ends on alkyl halides. Next subheading preparation methods of alkyl halides. And first method is from alcohols. From alcohol. Alcohols which alkyl halides in preparation. First method. Next second method. Second method. So preparation methods of alkyl halides. So first method is from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. And second method. Second method. First method from alkyl halides and the second preparation method, that is from ethylene. From ethylene, one of the alkene. So preparation methods of alkyl halides. And first method is from alcohols, close. One of 4 types may close. And second method from ethylene. From ethylene. Generally ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2. Ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2. One of the alkene. So compound name is ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2. And ethylene react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid formula HCl in the presence of AlCl3 aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride. First of all ethylene. So okay, ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2 and ethylene react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of AlCl3 aluminum chloride. So it is one of the addition reaction. Addition reaction and very simple. The bond break and simple break the end. So 1 mole of hydrogen, addition of 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, addition of 1 chlorine atom. So CH2 plus hydrogen, CH3, CH2 plus chlorine, CH2 Cl. So answer is CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. Malli very simple. CH2 plus 1 hydrogen, CH3. Next CH2 chlorine atom, CH2 Cl. So compound name is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Our compound ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Simple name cheyalama. ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ చేసినాం. హైడ్రోజన్ యాడ్ చేసినాం, క్లోరిన్ యాడ్ చేసినాం. CH2 కి హైడ్రోజన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది CH3. CH2 కి క్లోరిన్ యాడ్ చేసినాం CH2Cl. ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So second method is from ethylene. Ethylene formula CH2 double bond CH2 plus hydrochloric acid HCl in the presence of AlCl3. It is one of the addition reaction. So addition of 1 hydrogen atom CH3, addition of 1 chlorine atom CH2Cl. So CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. Our compound ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So preparation methods of alkyl halides like ethyl chloride. So first method is from alcohols and second method is from ethylene. From ethylene. And third one is very very important, from ethane. From ethane. So alkanes. For example alkanes. So ethane formula CH3 bond CH3. And కొంచెం వెరైటీ ఇలా రాస్తాను, no problem. CH3 bond CH3 మనం ఎట్లా రాస్తాం ethane. CH3 bond CH3 ethane. And ethane react with, for example, chlorine molecule. Chlorine molecule formula Cl2. Chlorine molecule formula Cl2 in the presence of sunlight and temperature symbol. So very simple answer. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. Our compound ethyl chloride. CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. Our compound ethyl chloride. So these are preparation methods of alkyl halides. IP level is సరిపోతుందమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే మనం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది IP సిలబస్ కదా, IP level సరిపోతుంది. So first method ఏంటి, from alcohols. second one from ethylene, third one from ethane. So previous IP 2 marks question. Previous IP లో 2 marks question అడిగింది. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగారంటే how does ethane converted into bromoethane? How does ethane converted into bromoethane? సేమ్ ఆన్సర్, కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ మీరు క్లోరిన్ ప్లేస్ లో బ్రోమిన్ రాయాలి అంతే. బ్రోమిన్ ల సామేజ్యం CH3 bond CH3, బ్రోమిన్ Br2, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of bromine HBr, రిమైనింగ్ ఆన్సర్ బ్రోమోయిథేన్. అండ్ ఆన్సర్ సేమ్, కానీ క్లోరిన్ ప్లేస్ ఏం రాసినా కూడా బ్రోమిన్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఈ క్లోరిన్ రాసిన నేను క్వశ్చన్ ఏమడిగాడు, హౌ డస్ ఈథేన్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ బ్రోమోయిథేన్ అన్నాడు. బ్రోమిన్ అంటే కనుక ఇక్కడ Br2 తీసుకోవాలి, క్లోరిన్ ప్లేస్ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి Br2. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ alkyl halides, only 3 methods. So first method from alcohols and second method from ethylene, third one from ethane. So chlorine తీసుకుంటే ఆన్సర్ ఏంటమ్మా ethyl chloride, ఒకవేళ bromine తీసుకుంటే ethyl bromide. So previous IP question, how does ethane converted into bromoethane? Bromine అంటే కనుక chlorine ప్లేస్ లో bromine తీసుకోండి. So these are preparation methods of alkyl halides. So preparation methods of alkyl halides close. And next heading properties. Next heading properties of alkyl halides. Properties of alkyl halides. First one, preparation methods of alkyl halides. Next, properties of alkyl halides. Actually 4 properties ఉన్నాయి, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో 3 నే ఉన్నాయమ్మా, చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ, reaction with metals. First property, reaction with metals like sodium and magnesium. Second one, elimination reactions. And third one, actually third one మనం క్లియర్ చేస్తున్నది, some other chemical reactions. Some other chemical reactions. And fourth one, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. So 4 properties. Actually 3 name textbook headings. Is extra and no problem. Different name to reaction is the third point. So first one, reaction with metals. Second one, elimination reactions, some other chemical reactions. Next, nucleophilic substitution reactions. These 4 headings which every year కనీసం ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తాం, 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్, అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఐపీలో. అంటే ఈ 4 headings కనుక మీకు క్లారిటీ ఉంటే ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ అంటే reaction with metals, second one elimination reactions, third one some other chemical reactions, and fourth one nucleophilic substitution reactions. So preparation methods of alkyl halides close. And next studying properties of alkyl halides. Actually 4 properties: reaction with metals, elimination reactions, some other chemical reactions, and nucleophilic substitution reactions. So first property heading, that is reaction with metals. First property, that is reaction with metals. First property is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Title lo answer metal anadu, like sodium and magnesium. First one, Wurth reaction. First year undu already Wurth reaction. So clarity ga vinadamma. First heading enti preparation methods of alkyl halides ayindi. Next, properties of alkyl halides. Andulo first property is reaction with metals. అందులో మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటంటే Wurth reaction. మన ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీలో ఉన్నాం రియాక్షన్ విత్ మెటల్స్, దెన్ సబ్ హెడింగ్ Wurth reaction. జనరల్లీ Wurth reagent is sodium by triether. Sodium formula by triether. Wurth reagent, Wurth అనే నేమ్ రాగానే sodium by triether. So Wurth reaction and Wurth reagent is sodium by triether. First of all, ethyl chloride, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. ఎందుకు సార్ ethyl chloride తీసుకుంటారు? హెడ్డింగ్ ఏంటి అసలు? ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్స్. బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్ ఇథైల్ క్లోరైడ్. అసలు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసే ఇథైల్ క్లోరైడ్ గురించి అందులో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ రియాక్షన్ విత్ మెటల్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ అవాయిడింగ్ వుడ్ రియాక్షన్. ఎందుకు సార్ వుడ్ రియాక్షన్ తీసుకుంటారంటే ఇక్కడ మెటల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాను, సోడియం మెటల్. హెడ్డింగ్ ఏంటి రియాక్షన్ విత్ మెటల్, మరి సోడియం మెటల్ తో ఉన్న రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి వుడ్ రియాక్షన్. సో అండ్ వుడ్ రియేజెంట్ ఈజ్ సోడియం బై డ్రై ఈథర్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇథైల్ క్లోరైడ్ ఫార్ములా CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl ethyl chloride. And ethyl chloride reacts with 2 moles of sodium metal 2Na, 2 moles of sodium metal plus second mole ethyl chloride, just కొంచెం రివర్స్ రాస్తాను, CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. so C ethyl chloride ఖచ్చితంగా వుడ్ రియాక్షన్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా 2 మోల్ తీసుకోవాలి ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్. For example, 2 moles of ethyl chloride react with 2 moles of sodium metal, in the presence of dry ether, dry ether. Actually place లేదని డౌన్ యారో మార్క్ ఇచ్చినా మీరు స్ట్రైట్ గా రాసుకుంటే బెటర్. ఓకే, సో ethyl chloride formula CH3CH2Cl plus 2 moles of sodium metal plus second mole ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl. So very simple answer, 2 moles of sodium next to 2 chlorine atoms, 2 moles of sodium, 2 chlorine atoms. So byproduct is 2NaCl, 2 moles of sodium chloride. Remaining answer CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. So CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3 and compound name is 4 carbon atoms bute and single bond N, butane. And ఇంటర్నెట్ వుడ్ రియాక్షన్ మనకు వచ్చే ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఏంటి అండ్ ఆల్కేన్స్ లైక్ బ్యూటేన్, అన్ని కూడా ఆల్కేన్స్ వస్తాయి వుడ్ రియాక్షన్ లో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి అంటే బ్యూటేన్ ఫార్ములా CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆల్కైల్ హాలైడ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇథైల్ క్లోరైడ్ ఫార్ములా CH3 CH2Cl plus 2 moles of sodium metal plus second mole ethyl chloride CH3 CH2Cl. In the presence of dry ether, 2 moles of sodium, 2 chlorine atoms, so removal of 2NaCl. Remaining answer CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. 4 carbon atoms bute and single bond A, compound name is butane. So heading reaction with metal and subheading Wurtz reaction, and Wurtz reagent is sodium by dry ether, and Wurtz reaction is starting the reaction is ethyl chloride. For example, methyl chloride formula CH3Cl, methyl chloride formula CH3 bond Cl, compound name is methyl chloride, one of the alkyl halide. Sir, eppudi ethyl chloride తీసుకోండి మన ఇష్టం, అందుకే సార్ methyl chloride తీసుకున్నాం. CH3Cl plus 2 moles of sodium metal, concept same, plus second mole methyl chloride formula CH3Cl, same in the presence of dry ether, dry ether. So very simple, 2 sodium atoms and 2 chlorine atoms. So byproduct is 2NaCl, 2 moles of sodium chloride. So remaining answer CH3 bond CH3, one of the alkane that is ethane, So this is Wurtz reaction. Okay, so 2 examples ఇచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చాలా సార్లు ఐపీ లో అడిగిన 2 మార్క్స్ లో Wurtz reaction ఇంపార్టెంట్ రియాక్షన్, ఐపీ లో చాలా సార్లు 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగిన Wurtz reaction. And Wurtz reagent is sodium by dry ether. Wurtz reaction అనగానే మీకు గుర్తు రావాలి ఫస్ట్ sodium by dry ether. Methyl chloride formula CH3Cl plus 2 moles of sodium metal, 2 moles of sodium metal second mole methyl chloride. In the presence of dry ether, 2 moles of sodium, 2 chlorine atoms, so removal of 2NaCl, and remaining answer is ethane, CH3 bond CH3. And indirectly Wurtz reaction లో products ఏం వస్తాయి మనకి alkanes వస్తాయి. So for example మనకి butane preparation next ethane preparation. Okay, first close Wurtz reaction. ఎందుకు సార్ Wurtz reaction చేస్తున్నారంటే heading and reaction with metals like sodium metal, that is Wurtz reaction. Second one, reaction with metals. So first reaction Wurtz reaction, and second B, A Wurtz reaction, and second one B. Grignard reagents, science name Grignard reagents. So clarity గా వినండమ్మా, నేను ఇంకా ఫస్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీలో ఉన్న రియాక్షన్ విత్ మెటల్స్. సో A Wurtz reaction close. Next B Grignard reagents. So Grignard reagents formula. Generally Grignard reagents formula R bond Mg bond X. Grignard reagent formula R bond Mg bond X. So in this R is equal alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. In this R is equal alkyl groups. Like methyl formula bond CH3, ethyl bond CH2, bond CH3, propyl bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH3. So these are alkyl groups. So R is equal alkyl groups. Already there is methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, etc. Next Mg metal, magnesium metal, one of the alkaline earth metal. Actually మన heading reaction with metals. Sodium metal indirectly wood reaction. Magnesium metal ఉంది కనుక ఏంటంటే Grignard reagents. అంటే రెండు రియాక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి metals. wood reaction ఒకటి ఉంది, Grignard reagents. wood reaction sodium metal, Grignard reagent magnesium metal. And X means halogens. Halogens like chlorine, bromine and iodine. And X and indirect against and halogens. Because halides and chloride, bromide, iodide and phosphorus. And indirect R plus alkyl groups. And magnesium, one of the metal. X means halogens, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine. So Grignard reagents common formula R bond Mg bond X, alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl group ఉండాలి, magnesium metal ఉండాలి, halogen ఉండాలి. ఆ మూడు గనుక ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు ఏమొచ్చు Grignard reagent అనొచ్చు. For example CH3 bond Mg bond Br అని ఇచ్చిన అనుకుందాం. It is one of the Grignard reagent. ఎందుకు సార్ అది Grignard reagent? Very simple. CH3 alkyl group, next magnesium metal, next halogen. So R bond Mg bond X. Alkyl group ఉంది, methyl, magnesium metal ఉంది, clear, halogen ఉంది, ఏంటంటే bromine. ఆ మూడు ఉంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా Grignard reagent. For example CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Mg bond Cl. It is also Grignard reagent. ఎందుకు సార్ అది Grignard reagent? alkyl group ఉంది, ethyl, magnesium metal Mg, halogen X, chlorine ఉంది. So alkyl group ఉంది, magnesium metal ఉంది and halogen indirect against Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent best example CH3 bond MgBr and CH3 bond CH2 bond Mg bond Cl. So first of all Grignard reagents for R bond Mg bond X. R is equal alkyl groups, magnesium metal, X means halogens, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Halides and X minus and iodine, chloride, bromide and iodide. So see Grignard reagents.